So we all love to click pictures with our smartphone, and while clicking pictures with your phone may not seem that a difficult task, here are 5 things that if you know, it will help you click better pictures than usual because they've helped me. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Today we are talking about 5 ways to make the most out of your smartphone's camera. With that being said, if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, let's get started. So the first tip I want to give you guys is called crop, don't zoom. Now this is a rule to live by whenever you're clicking a picture with your phone, because of the basic fact that the phones these days, most of the phones in the market come with digital zoom and not optical zoom. So essentially the zoom is being generated digitally, your lens is actually not zooming in, which if you do while clicking a picture is going to lead to a pixelated image. Instead, what I suggest would doing is click the picture at the normal zoom rate. You don't have to zoom in or zoom out, and later crop the part if you have to zoom into a specific subject. This makes sure that your subject is in focus as well as it is retained, because the picture's quality gets very much ruined whenever you zoom in and take a picture, especially with your phone. So crop and don't zoom. The next tip I want to give you guys is about maintaining your composition. Now maintaining your composition is not only limited to, not forgetting the basic photography rules, but incorporating the simplest of things that we tend to forget just because we're shooting on a phone. So this includes everything from turning on the grids in your camera app so you actually know what you're shooting, and using the rule of thirds to get an overall well composed image. Trust me, once you use the basics of photography either on a phone or on a camera, you will see a drastic difference in the pictures that you click, and they will instantly be more aesthetically pleasing. So maintain your composition, you should be good to go. Okay guys, since a lot of us think that using your phone to click pictures is more of a disadvantage compared to using a high-end professional camera, I beg to differ. Since you're using your phone, you have the luxury of browsing through millions of applications on the Play Store to find the app that works for you. Now whether you want a new camera app to allow you to give manual controls, or you want an app to help you shoot time lapses, if you watch this channel, you should be the first one to know about this, if not all of them. So find out the photography camera app for you. There are tons of them called open camera, closed camera, other cameras out there. Just find the photography application for you, and I promise you it will take your photography skills to another level. Like I'm talking another level. That made no sense. Let's move on. Okay guys, so the next tip I want to talk to you guys about is editing your pictures rather than applying a filter on them. Now what I essentially mean by this is that I have seen so many people who click really good pictures, but they just apply an Instagram filter on it and ruin the whole vibe. I mean, what's the point of it if your picture is going to look like the same picture that everybody uploads with one click? My suggestion, instead of applying a random filter, first sit down, take a look at your photo and edit it. Editing can take your picture to another level, make it 10 times better than what you originally started with. And once you're done with the final edit, if you really want to add that filter, go ahead and do it. It's your artistic choice and liberty. Otherwise, rock that photo with your own original edit and maybe make that into a new filter that other people could copy. Why not? Edit, don't filter, your pictures will be looking really good. Alright guys, so the last tip I want to leave you guys with is the fact that avoid using your smartphone's flash whenever possible. A lot of us make this misconception that the flashes on our DSLR are of the same capacity as the flashes on our phone, and basically this leads us to thinking that, oh, there's no light, I'm just gonna whip my flash up and I'm done. Well, no, using the flash on your phone actually messes up the white balance of the picture completely, does not leave it natural looking, and basically can destroy a good picture. So in a situation where you have natural light, use natural light instead of flashes, and in a situation where you don't have any kind of light, say you're shooting a picture at night, my choice would be to use any external lighting, which if not possible, you should just wing it and click the picture anyway without any light. Remember, you can fix that in post, and a little bit of grain is still considered cinematic and an artistic choice, but messed up white balance is frowned upon. So don't use your smartphone's flash even if you really have to, because that's just the way I feel about it. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like it, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter to see what kind of pictures I am clicking. With that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. This is Anubhav signing out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Click nice pictures. Peace out.